Friends, welcome to Money Mint channel and thanks for watching Money Mint channel. Before discussing about the quick updates, I am updating my Excel sheet which I updated earlier. Please have a look at it. Few are in negative, few are in positive. And these are the recently updated on 28th and 30th. Okay, let us discuss about few updates quickly. Friends, today few two stocks ready to break out, which is first stock is Laxmi Organics. Look at this chart. This chart is it's ready to break trend line. If it's break, we may see good rally in this stock because most of the chemical stocks rallying right now. If we observe Ami Organics, it rallied very much, and Laxmi Organics not much rallied because it's still in consolidation phase. I am expecting good rally in this stock. Look at this chart run. This stock trading in this box as of now. It's ready to breach this trend line. If it trade above 450, we can take call in this. If any aggressive trader, they can take position here. I am expecting the target of 570 in near term. The second stock is Rain Industries. This stock also looking very good. This stock took support at 193, right now trading at 233. This stock made very good up move in today. Look at this big candle, green candle. It's ready to break out the trend line. If it's close above trend line, we can see new highs in near term. And I would like to discuss about two IT stocks which are ready to make a big rally. The first stock is Gensor Technologies. This stock already tested few times here and successfully closed above the trend line, and it's making a rally right now. One can enter in this stock for a good move because all IT stocks are performing right now. I'm expecting very good rally in this Gensor Technologies. And the second stock is L&T Technology Services. This stock also looking very good. I am expecting another level of pumping in this stock. This stock successfully crossed above trend line and closed above trend line. Look at here. See this. I am expecting once it cross 5800, we can see up to 6500, 7000 levels also. I am expecting bonus in this stock in coming quarters. So please watch this in your watch list. Keep in your watch list, and aggressive traders can invest in these stocks. Friends, today RBL Bank fell almost 10%. It made lower circuit. That day, I think 3 days back, I have alerted investors, please stay away from RBL Bank. Still I am expecting it will fell to 100 and below. If it close below 100, we can see free fall in this stock. Right now it is another 30% nearby. If it close below 1 or 2 or 100, we can see free fall in this stock. Please stay away from RBL Bank. Just because of low price, don't buy this stock. It may most of the people are expecting that it may become another S Bank also because internal problems go. So that please stay away from RBL Bank. Don't invest in this by looking at this price. And I would like to give some follow-ups. Recently I have updated about Pasupati Acrylon at this price 40. That day I told about if it close above 41, one can take position. Today it made almost 16%. I suggested who bought at my levels, I told that book profit because it made already 20% from my level, which is 41 to 49. It may today I have seen it 50.50 also today. This is the one update. And the D-Link also I have updated that day. D-Link also today made almost 175. It will, once it break 178, we can see very sharp up moves in the stock also. This stock, because the stock trading above the multi-year breakouts. And today I would like to discuss about one stock which have good potential to become multi-bagger in future. The stock name is Poonawalla Fincorp. This stock right now trading at 223. It's giving multiple opportunities to enter investors. It's not continuously moving up, so one can no need to hurry in the stock. Please invest in dips in this stock. We can see another dip also from at least 200 level also. We can see one can enter at 200 levels for the good returns in future. This stock has good potential to become multi-bagger. And look at Nifty. Today it closed at a flat because morning we didn't expect any big moves as a weekly, monthly and yearly settlement. Today it closed positively, flat. Bank Nifty also not much made any moves. It closed above 35,000, which is a key level, but still remember Bank Nifty still below 200-day moving average. So still weakness is Bank Nifty. That's it, guys. These are the updates for today. If you like content, please like. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, which will give motivation to me. If you please like my videos if you watch, and I would like to, I can give you good content every day. I will try my level best. Thanks for watching.